Upon originally receiving this wig, I did notice it had a film, okay, thick film on top of it. It felt like leftover residue, so I did go in and I washed it out because I didn't want that to manipulate how the hair actually acts. I want to see how it is in its natural state, nice and clean. So again, like I said, I did go in and wash out the residue, and I also did add my elastic band to it. Did I really need to do that? I don't think so, but I did it for just a little bit more security. And right now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut the lace all the way around so that it could fit on top of my head and the lace is not shown. Alright, so I cut it, and now I'm just gonna add the wig to my head, and I'm not gonna put the I'm not gonna do the adjustable straps in the back because I see that when the adjustable straps are too tight, it basically makes it bunch up, and you definitely can see the lumps in the back of the head versus when you don't even touch it, it's just really flat. So my head is small, and this wig on me is a little bit big, but the adjustable straps is what's going to help it lay down. I would go in and add some type of glue or gel just to secure this to my head, but in this video we're going to do the hairstyle a little bit different. So I blow dried it down so that it will be coming down, going all the way across, because today we're going to cut bangs, and I have not did bangs in forever, y'all. But I definitely want to see what blonde will look like on me with bangs. So we're going to see if this is a fail or if this is a look. I'm just brushing everything to the front but back. Okay, so the back is going back, but I'm laying it to the front. Just because I want everything to lay flat. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up so I can see a little something. I personally don't know what this is gonna look like, because even though this is blonde, it is basically called gray on the site because they did go in and put something on the hair that made it like this gray tone. But to me, it doesn't really look gray. It just kind of looks a little dirty. Like it almost looked like it has like a greenish type of tint. But like I said, we're gonna see what this unit looks like with bangs. So I'm just parting a triangle out. Well, sort of a triangle. My temples are right here. I like to go from like mid-brow. Okay. I think that's good right here as well. Because it's not that thick, I'm not gonna add like a rubber band or anything. I'm just gonna cut it. But before you cut it, you just want to make sure everything is good, all right, and the way you like it and the way you want it to look. I think everything is pretty good. So I'm just gonna take this again. I'm gonna comb it down. And it's better to cut too low than too high. Okay, so always cut longer than where you want it to be, then higher, because you cannot go back once you cut it too short. You also want to make sure you have your flat iron on and ready. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. A lot of people like to go under, but I like to go over for a more blunt cut. And even if it's not even, like I said, I can always go back in and even it. So I think I like where it is right now. So I know it looks a little crazy, but we're gonna go in and we're gonna flat iron all of it. But I think this is like exactly where I want it to be. I went in and I switched my background so we could have a better look because of all the white, it was like washing out with the silver background. So I put the rose gold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and we're going to use the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil, and I'm gonna use that, and again this is gonna act as a heat protectant as well as gonna make the hair smell good, and if the hair does tangle in any way, it's gonna help with the tangling. So I'm gonna just distribute through the whole entire hair, including the ends. Okay, and now we're gonna just brush through. And the hair does have a lot of baby hairs in the front, and that's what you see right here. Okay, so let's get to flat ironing. And I might have it a little too hot, so I'm gonna go a little bit down on the temperature so that I do not burn this hair. But the hair is very, very silky from that one pass. Okay, I know you're wondering what device I am using, but that purple thing right there is basically a comb, and what it does is it locks in that hair so that it does not move when you are flat ironing. I absolutely love it. It's very, very, very good for if you are going to be doing the chase method. Okay, and what the chase method is you use a comb and you comb through those strands and you put the flat iron in back of it and it chases the comb. That way you get each and every strand very hot when it goes through the passing through the flat iron. Okay, and I think that's the best way to flat iron your hair if you want something sleek and straight. So if you're wanting to know about this device, I will have it linked down in the bottom bar for you because I really can't remember what the name of it is. I also use the wet brush once I get to the back for those areas where I want to just, you know, hurry up and do like a thicker section. Okay, and I'll have the link to the wet brush as well. It is like one of the most amazing things that I found in 2017. It was like my top thing that I found in 2017. It decreases shedding and it just creates the most beautiful curls when you are using it to do your curly hair routine. So again, I will have that link down in the bottom bar as well. I do the same thing for my bangs. When I flat iron it, I don't do a big bump. You just want to bump it just a little. You don't want to have like old school curler bumps. Okay, you want to look like 2018 and not 1989. So that's just my suggestion. I cannot stand a bang that is overly bumped. But that's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for my results as well as my thoughts on my hair. Okay, so I am completely done with this unit and cutting my bangs. Do I feel like this color is for me? No, I don't. I don't know if it's the lippy. Matter of fact, let's see if it's the lippy. I'm gonna change it. Okay, I switched it up. I went and put on MAC Bittersweet Me lip gloss, and I think it looks way better with this hair. I think it looks really nice, actually. I love the way my bangs came out. I think it came out perfect. Like, it came out right where I wanted it to cut. It just looks really, really good. It's not too blunt. I mean, if you want it a little bit more blunt, of course you could go straight across. but I like when it just curves just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And I could feather it out a little bit more right here, but we're not gonna do that today. I like the way it looks right now, so I don't want to go in and do anything and risk messing it up. But I think it looks really nice. This reminds me of like a Black China or a Nicki Minaj type of bangs look, because they do the blonde with bangs. I've never done blonde with bangs, and I've always wanted to do blonde with bangs, and I think it looked cute. What y'all think? That's it for this video. So I will have a full review on this unit coming up in my next video. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you feel down in the comments. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe. Of course, thumb this video up in the comment. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. And if blonde isn't for you, I hope that you at least got something out of the tutorial portion. So I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.